cultivate grateful hearts. Their generosity teaches us the importance of appreciating the blessings we receive.
President, my classmate, President Kim Yong-jae. Secretary Kim Yong-rae. And from Rotary Club of Hwasong Royal, President Lee Kwang-hyun. Thank you. From also Rotary Club of Hwasong Royal, Secretary Cho Byung-john. Please palakpakan natin mga bata pag minamention natin. Thank you. Dongtan President Kim Seong-song. Thank you. Dongtan Secretary Jong In-ho. Thank you very much. The Rotary Club of Villa de Bacolor sincerely convey its profound gratitude to our esteemed sister club, Hwasong Tayan.
The supplies that we brought here today, we know that it's not a big gift, pero we hope that this thing can help you for your education.
앞으로도 건강하게 밝게 자라서 멋진 미래를 만들어 가시길 바랍니다.
I hope everyone will grow up to be a man or woman, success in your life, and hopefully it will pray for you every day in Korea.
우리 로타리안은 여러분들을 응원합니다. 감사합니다.
Hwasong Tayan Rotary Club and the whole International Rotary Club cheers you guys, and we will support you. Thank you.
학교 회장님과 바컬로 클럽의 회원 여러분 너무 감사드립니다.
He wants to thank Mayor Raf for this opportunity to serve the community again, and thanks to Cap Jam with that sport.
오늘 마련한 선물은 많이 부족하지만 이 선물을 받고 열심히 공부하기를 바랍니다.
The things that we brought here today for the school supplies, we really know this is not so much, pero they really hope that you can use this for your education.
그리고 여러분은 필리핀의 미래입니다. 열심히 공부하셔서 앞으로 필리핀에 열심히 좋은 사람 되십시오. 감사합니다.
Every kid sitting here today is a future of the Philippines. So hopefully you guys will study on and success in your future. Thank you.
Ang prinsipal tayo Magnolia, palakpakan tayo Magnolia, natin. Siyempre, nagawin sa pagkain, nagawin beauty pa po. Palakpakan tayo. At sa alis ko yun, sila yung mga sa pagkain sa pagkain ng mga puno. Siyempre, I want to acknowledge especially the Unit Power, palakpakan tayo. Thank you very much.
Thank you.